beneath the dawn's awakening blush. Our spirits dance on dewdrop dreams and morning hush. Their souls painted on nature's untouched canvas, creating a love story, indefinable in chorus. Gentle whispers carried on the brush of the breeze, echoing words of love between the rustling trees. Your laughter, a melody entwined in the soft hum, as shimmering sunbeams peek out the day begun. In every petal bloom, your smile unfurls, reflecting love in botanic swirls. Through prism of raindrop, our shared sunbeam shines, a symbol of love's mirage amongst these wild vines. Grown in the quietude of the morning's embrace, stands a love time nor tempest can erase, woven into the earth's rich tapestry. Our love story as ceaseless as the sea beneath the sentinel sky. Whispered secrets kindle and play, where dappled shadows and sunlight flirt in sweet array. Every moment impressing on nature's vast expanse, the tender rhythm of our ethereal dance. As twilight approaches, stirs past the velvet leaves, witness to our love till the chaste night leaves. Underneath their watchful gaze, dance we do, swathed in night's hush, silk threads of me and you. Luna, a radiant face reflecting in your eyes, our dreams reflected back in her celestial skies. In tender moonglow, love's imprint takes flight, a ballet danced in the silence of the night.